Alright, let's continue building our first Prezi. We'll still need to work with text a little bit, but we will insert some shapes as well in this lesson. Let me get rid of our copy of step 1. I'll click until I get the zebra, and then I'll press the delete key on my keyboard. And what I'd like to do is create a box that goes around step 1 just to highlight it, and I'd like to make a copy of both the text and the box. To do this, I am going to go up to the insert bubble and choose the shapes. We have these shapes available. We could use a pen tool to connect ideas together. We could use the highlighter tool, and that can bring attention to step 1 that way. But for now, let me undo those. And I'm going to choose the box tool, and I'm going to draw a box just outside of it for now. And I would like to use the arrow as well. And I'll just draw an arrow, get that down here out of the way. Now we can edit shapes by double clicking them. And we can change their size, for instance, their color. I think I'll just go with a muted color for now. I'm going to put that on top of step 1 there, and then just to make sure that it's going to be underneath step 1, although it looks fine as it is, I'll control click, or remember right click on a PC, and I will go send backward, so just to make sure. Let me adjust that a little bit. Now if you grab the shape on the outside edges of it, you should be able to move both the text and the shape together. If that doesn't happen, you could shift click on step 1 and shift click on the outside of that and be able to move them together that way. It's a good idea to know how to shift click on this. I'm going to click shift click on step 1 and the outside area of the box. And holding my shift key down, I'm going to hit the control key on my Mac, but you could right click on your PC. And I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to hold both the control and shift keys down, or you can continue right click and shift key down, and then I will click to get paste, and I should get an exact copy of that box. And what I have left to do is to double click the text, edit it. I'll put a number 2 in there, click OK, and now I'll bring my arrow up, and as you can see it's underneath that second box, so I will control or right click that and I'll bring to the front. And that's how you can use shapes, and that'll show you how to copy and paste those.